Hey there, it's Clarence Barnes and Tim McCarthy from HushMat. You know, if you're like me, you like to get everything at once. You know, HushMat is the solution for so many different things for your vehicle, but this is truly the best to me. The Custom Vehicle Kit. This means everything in one box, right?
Yeah, thanks, Clarence. We have taken the guesswork out of how much material I need for my, let's just say, Mustang or F-150. We package products specific to those vehicles. So when you open the box, you get exactly what you need to treat the firewall, the floor pan, the doors, the roof, and the trunk. And let's say you have a Peterbilt, or let's say you have a transit van. Again, you may get 4 boxes rather than just this one. But again, every kit that we ship to you includes an installation template that shows you where the product gets applied.
And with over 365,000 vehicles listed so far and growing, the list is amazing. Your vehicle is most likely on their website, which you can find, as a matter of fact, on the box. Everything on these boxes is inclusive. So you have templates in there on the back. There's a QR code. You can even scan that. It'll take you to HushMat.com. And of course, everything's made in the USA because they're from the USA. And that means if you call HushMat, chances are you might meet my friend Tim right here. Check in right now. Find something great for your vehicle at HushMat.com.